In this video, I'm going to make some queen cups in preparation to graft and try to rear some queens to make some splits. I got a pretty simple setup here. A small pan with a mason jar full of, not full, a little bit of pure beeswax and a little bit of water. Heat it up on the stove and then just dipping this wooden dowel back and forth from cold water to the hot wax 3-4 times, and then popping them right off. I'm not making a ton of queens. If I get a half dozen, I'm going to try to go for 12, and if I get 6 or so that take or get capped off would be great. Again, this is just a wooden dowel, a little thicker than a pencil, slightly rounded off at the bottom, so it's not it's not just a flat area at the bottom. It has some curve to it, and it's just dipping it back and forth about a 1/4 inch or so deep, just to build it up, and then pop them off. And now I'm adding them onto the bottom of a shallow frame, so that when I put them in my hive, it, in place of a deep frame, it'll put the queen cups right there about halfway. When I attach these, I basically put it back on the dowel. Show here in a second. Just put the cell back on the dowel and dip this into the hot wax just for a few seconds, and then stick it onto the frame. It's kind of hard. I'm doing everything one-handed. If I continue making videos, I will invest in a tripod or some way to video a little better. So now I'm just putting some hot wax on the base of each of these queen cups just to secure it a little better so that they do not fall off. The next video I post, I will go out to my bee yard, which is not much of a bee yard. There's only a couple hives, and find a frame and graft into this.